Starting the day off with a cappuccino, an omelette and some toast. Ever since doing that trek I've been super hungry every day. It's given me a massive appetite, but today's going to be pretty same thing as yesterday. I'm just going to chill out, edit some videos, catch up on some stuff I've got to do. I'm going to try and show you around Tamil now, which is the city that I'm staying in Kathmandu. It's really nice. It's quite touristy, but it's nice. I'll try and capture the vibe. Where?
Pashupati Monkey Temple.
Yeah, I've been to Monkey Temple, yeah. I'm just sitting out on the rooftop in the sun. It's really nice and hot. I'm going to lay here and listen to my audiobook and try and get a bit of a tan.
England, you can see every day in sun.
Pardon?
Every day you can see the sun in England.
No, everyday rain. Everyday rain and cold. It is lovely. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm fed up of being stuck in my little room editing, so I'm going to get out and get a bit of sun. So skipping past a couple of hours, that Indian bloke that you just saw, I literally sat speaking to him for about 3 hours and he was trying to convert me into a Muslim. Talked about ISIS, everything like that, and little dancer. Crazy. Yeah, he was basically, wasn't an argument, it was a debate, which I won, but he was trying to make me a Muslim and I wasn't having any of it, so it's made me hungry. I'm going to go and get some food now, but it's taken up a lot of my day with a load of bollocks. So. And that little rant draws today's video to a close. I went out and got something to eat, I've come back and I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the day now. I've not got a lot planned, so that bloke really annoyed me earlier. I couldn't film any of it because it was a bit heated, but it is what it is. People have their different beliefs. I just hate it when someone tries to force it on someone else. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for my last day in Nepal. Goodbye.